Welcome back to my channel. It's Wit here, back with another makeup tutorial, and I know it's late, but here's my Valentine's Day makeup look. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're following me on Instagram, my Instagram is WhitKit, WHITKIT_MUA. Then you would have seen that I've posted this look on Instagram. But let's go ahead and dive into this tutorial. So as always, I clean the face with Sea Breeze toner. And then here I am going in with Morphe Precision Pencil in Java. And I'm just filling in her brows. And I'm doing really light strokes because I don't want her brows to be like looking really harsh and like really dark. So I'm just taking my time and I'm just filling in her brows. Now I'm going in with some concealer, and this is Milani and Cool Sand. So yeah, I'm using my flat brush that I love so much, and I'm going in and I'm just cleaning underneath her brows. I have so much videos, you guys. I just haven't had any time to upload them, but I have so much videos, so I gotta start posting them up because I ain't got no storage. I can't hold no more videos. So even though I have different memory cards, but they have like tons of videos on them, so I gotta put them out. And here I am just doing the other side. I'm taking my time. Now I've come to the realization that I like to take my time with my brows because I feel like they're the most important thing. The brows and the face when like applying foundation. So I take my time when it comes to the brows because I want them to look like really nice. So I'm gonna take my time with that. So as you can see, I'm just really taking my time, and plus I don't want to get any concealers on her baby hairs. I've been working with a lot of people who have like wigs installed and doing their makeup. It was a challenge for me, but shortly after I got the hang of it, so I kind of like angle my brush a different way so that I won't get any concealer on their baby hairs. So that's what I had to learn how to do, because the last time I did her makeup, she had like a swoop, and I was just looking like, how am I going to conceal her brows if she got this swoop in the way? So I had to angle my brush a certain way to be able to conceal her brows. But yep. But sis hair is slayed to the gods. And now here I am going in with this red shadow. I believe I got this red shadow from the Crayon case. I forgot what palette it is, but it was a gift. I really like that palette. It's the Crayon case. I barely use it, but because I'm always using neutral colors. Like, these girls do not want to get some popping eyeshadows. I don't know, they scared of color. But she wanted to do red. I was thinking of pink, but she wanted red, so I thought about this look and I was like, let's go for it. So I'm going in with that red. And I'm using a fluffy brush, and I'm just tapping that onto her lid and gradually like bringing it upwards into her crease and flaring that out. Now I'm going in with duo lash glue, and I'm applying that on her lid, and then I go in with a fluffy brush from Morphe to apply the glitter. And I get my glitters from Glow Up Academy, like from Kiki Adams on Instagram. I love her glitters. So yes, that's where I get them. Now I'm going in with Babyface primer. I love this primer. I get this from like CVS, Walgreens, or Walmart, and it's about $5. Now I think it's about $6. I really love it. So I'm just applying that all over her skin. Now I'm going in with Nars, and this is the shade New Caledonia and Marquees. And I blend those two together, and I achieve this shade. And I believe it matched her perfectly. And I'm using my Real Technique Insta flat brush, and I'm just tapping the foundation into her skin. Not swiping, but I'm tapping. And notice how I'm working in one section first before I decide to move to the next. Are you busy? Yeah, I'm making a video right now. Well, when you're not busy, can you take me to Chick-fil-A? I have a client coming after. At what time? 3 o'clock. Now I'm going in with Born This Way concealer and caramel, and I'm using that to conceal. And I'm just applying that on her nose, above her lip, her chin, and under her eyes. Now I'm going in with Real Technique setting brush, and I'm just blending that concealer. I'm blending out the edges of her concealer into her skin. Notice how I left the concealer that's under her eyes last, because I wanted to give me that full coverage, even though Born This Way doesn't let me down. So, because I want that full coverage. Do not do this with like a don't do this with a concealer that's like it dries fast, like dry really fast. And I believe that's Tarte. Tarte dries really fast, so you gotta move quick. So don't let it sit there or whatever, because it's probably already like on there, like full coverage. I don't like concealers that I like Tarte, but it tend to like, to me it's a little too fast for me. I need some time. But yes, so now that that's all blended out, we're gonna go back in with some more concealer, and this time I'm using Milani in Pure Beige, and I'm gonna use that underneath her eyes to give us more of a highlight look. And then I went in with black opal and ebony off camera. And ebony, I move pretty fast with ebony because ebony does dry pretty quick, but not as quick as Tarte. Here I am blending out the contour from black opal with my angle brush from Morphe. Now I'm going in with AC Cosmetics setting powder, and I believe this is No Shine. Now I'm going in with MAC's Studio Fix in C8, and I'm just applying that underneath where I set her. And here I am going in with a black pencil, and I'm just applying that in her waterlines. Now I'm going in with Morphe and Trendsetter, and I'm lining up her lip. I love this lip liner. You guys don't understand how much I love it. Now I'm going in with some concealer, and I'm just applying that on the lip. And I also mix it with the actual lipstick that's like a shade darker than it, and I just blend it all together. And then I have her put her lips together, and then now I'm going in with some clear lip gloss from Revlon, and I'm just applying that on her lip. And it's coming together, you guys. It's coming together. The look is coming together. Now I'm going in with some blush, and I go in with some highlighter afterwards after I set her face. But you guys, this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. This is my Valentine's Day makeup look. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please bear with me. I will be uploading more videos. I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sticking around with me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.